Hey, look what I found. So welcome to my new episode. So today I'm going to show you some of the very old place, like the abandoned places. So this is the place which I found out just now. Actually, I was passing because I was going to a temple. I thought of showing you a temple which is like around 1500 years old, and I stumbled upon this place, and there is nobody staying. And you can see the condition. It's like, wow, crazy. Seems like this is like hundreds of years old. Everything is breaking apart. Wow. It's crazy. And to my surprise, this is just actually on the road. That's the interesting part. The best part is it's actually on the road. And if you see the pillars, wow, it's so old. Seems like everything is falling apart. Wow. See the interesting part. I think this is locked. So let's go inside the house. Let's see if there is some window or door or something is open. And we'll try to get inside the house and look it up. So what I found is a back door. There's a back door. Here's a window. Wow, it's open. Okay. Here we go. Wow. Wow. This is the first time I'm doing some abandoned place video. Wow, all the walls are like cracked. It's pretty dangerous, and this is like hanging. This roof is gone. Wow, look at this door. Interesting. Wow. This old window. This old crack. Oh, look, it's a crack here. Everything says a crack. Wow. There is a cycle, but this cycle does not look that old. Wow. Interesting. Wow. Pillars. Wow. These wooden pillars are really awesome. Wow. Awesome pillars. But the roof is almost gone. Wow. Let's get inside this room. I think this is the front portion. Whoa, what's that? Bat. Oh, there are bats here. Awesome. Wow. Oof. See, there's a bat here. Ah, it's flew away. To be very careful with the bat. Bat is full of. Wow, see this place. Can I get in? First gear. Wow. This is not moving. So this was the window which was from outside. I can't actually see. This was the window. Wow. Awesome. Kill it. Wow. Now let's go to the other room. So let's go to this room. Wow. Awesome. Wow. There's a old lantern. The interesting part is that this is just on the road. I mean, this is so interesting to actually find out, like, you know, these old abandoned places. And yeah, it's risky, but if you find something, it's really interesting. It has this character, it has a story. So that's the interesting part of it. Hundreds of years older. Wow. Check it out. I think this is a place they used to keep some luggage or something. Wow. It's so awesome. Somebody used to sit here. Wow. Let's go to the other room. There's nothing here. Wow. Awesome. There's no water coming. That's a very interesting thing. It's like pretty old. Wow. There is something mentioned here. There's the name of the company. Wow. So this is the place. Wow. It's so interesting. Oh, there's a jetliner which is going up in the sky. Wow. The people are still flying, I think. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. So actually that's a step, but I don't know where. Can I go into the step, because I don't want to fall. Wow. Oh, that's a step. I think they have blocked it, or is that way. This is very dangerous. If something falls on your head, you're gone. Wow. Awesome. I mean, the pillars, they are awesome, really. Okay, there is a step actually which goes up. Oh, let's see. I just want to see what's there. I know that it's just I can see the road, but Is it worth going there? Okay, here we go. Wow, awesome. The first abandoned house. Whoa, it's awesome. Let's go down. Let's go down. Wow. Or that's also pretty old, I think. Very old. So let's. So the mother nature is actually growing in this. It's so interesting. Wow. Let me find something else. I'm like really interested in these pillars. Wow, it's still holding it. It's so strong. Wow. Wow.